Hello everyone, my name is Hong and once again welcome back to the channel and another unboxing video. Now I've said this before in some of my earlier videos, I am a coffee addict. In fact, I crave coffee so much that every night before I go to bed, I'm actually already thinking about my morning coffee. Which is not very good for sleep, as you can imagine, because it sort of injects or induces a sense of mental caffeine, if there's such a thing as mental caffeine. However, I'm one of those lazy coffee addicts, much preferring coffee from a can because they're fast, quick, and easy. So this year, on my birthday, one of my very dear friends decided that enough is enough, time to get some proper coffee here in the office. So she sent me my all-new Essenza Mini from Nespresso. All right, enough talking, time to unbox this and see what's on the inside. Founded back in 1986, the company Nespresso has been manufacturing high-quality coffee machines and barista-style coffee capsules, or pods, for a wide range of applications from hotel rooms to homes, offices to lounges. The Essenza Mini, which I'm opening up here, is one of their miracle machines designed for the minimalist, combining ease of use with premium flavor in every cup, every time. Well, there it is. Now setting up the Essenza Mini is super easy, but before that you're advised to do a system cleanse. Basically you fill this tank up with water and opening it and cleaning it is also very easy. You flip the lid, it pops right off. So you basically want to fill this up with drinking water, put it back into the machine and activate it so that the water would boil and do a one-time cleansing ritual to clean the extraction system. Now, I don't have any fancy high-end looking glasses. All I have are these little IKEA glasses, but they will do the job. So you put a glass on that end, open up the water tank area, like so. Fill it up with water, and then basically hit the button. First of all, you gotta plug in the power. Alright, so the power's been plugged in, there's water in the tank and an empty glass up front. I'm just gonna hit the button up top and let it do its thing. I'm pretty sure you guys are able to hear that hum. Well, okay, we've got hot water coming out from this end. Maybe if I push the larger button. This water is hot. Oh, perfect timing. So the water seems a little bit murky, but that's not murkiness, it's not dirty. If you look really carefully, it's just a lot of really small air bubbles. Alright, so let me give you guys some quick facts and figures and numbers of the Nespresso Essenza Mini. According to the website, all Nespresso machines are equipped with a 19-bar pressure pump. This provides the power needed to pierce the capsule and release the coffee's 900 or so different aromas. The shape of the Nespresso capsules or pods are specially designed to ensure that the pressurized water flows evenly through the ground coffee during its extraction process. Even things such as temperature and flow rate are also set to ensure that the first drip is identical to the last. The water tank at the rear of the Essenza Mini has a capacity of 0.6 liters, and the two preset buttons on the top of the machine makes for quick and easy use. 40 milliliters for an espresso, and 110 milliliters for a lungo, which means long in Italian. The entire weight of the Essenza Mini is 2.3 kilograms with a very small footprint of 8.4 centimeters by 32.8 centimeters, which means you can put this anywhere in your kitchen, living room, office space, or even your bathroom if you need a coffee for that sort of business. Alright, now that we've got the facts, figures, and numbers out of the way and the whole cleaning, cleansing process completed, it's time now for my first cup of coffee. So to get your first cup of coffee, very easy stuff. Step 1, fill the water tank with drinking water. Step 2, select the flavor that you would like to have. Pop open this top lever, put the capsule or the pod inside, close it, push the button, and there you go. The whole process should take only about 25 to 30 seconds, and they also, in the Essenza Mini, it comes with 14 capsule or 14 pods. But as you can see up here, there are tons of different flavors available, such as India, Indonesia, Colombia, Ethiopia, and a whole bunch of others that are all in Italian that I am not able to pronounce. The easier ones, such as caramel creme brulee. Oh, cocoa truffle. Now these sound so good. I'm not sure what I have in these 14 capsules. I will take a look and then we can proceed on with my first cup of coffee. I've only had one all day, so I've been waiting for this. Okay, so I have decided to go with Colombia because according to its Master Origin series, this is a very balanced coffee, 6 out of 12. Not sure what that means, but why not start with something in the middle? So let's get going. Pop this open, drop the capsule in, close it, and I'm gonna go for a lungo, long, which means a bigger cup of coffee, and hit the button. So I kind of figured it out that when you turn on the system, because there's this eco mode, the NESPRESSO ESSENZA MINI will shut off by itself to save and conserve electricity. So when you want to turn it on, you basically hit the button once, the two lights will be blinking, and once they stop blinking, then you're good to go. Then you hit the button, and coffee. Oh wow, it smells so good. So like I mentioned earlier, the whole process should take only about 25 to 30 seconds. You can see the water drain real quick at the back where the water tank is. You can also see it fill up just as quickly. Let me pull you guys in real quick to take a look at this beautiful color. Now I'm not gonna lie and I'm not exaggerating, but the entire office right now smells like a really high-end cafe. I have not had a sip yet. Whoa, it is hot. First sip, cheers. Wow. I'm not adding sugar or milk or cream or any of that sort of stuff yet because I really wanted to taste the flavor, and it smells great. The flavor is fantastic. It's really rich. Now again, I'm a coffee addict, not a coffee connoisseur, so I'm not going to be able to tell the difference between its supposed 900 different sorts of flavors in coffee. I just like drinking coffee, and this I could drink all day long, all night long. So at the start of this video, you may have noticed this box right next to me on my left. This is another accessory that my friend got me for my birthday. This is the VIEW Versillo. Now I've got Italian friends and I'm very sure that if they're watching this video, they're gonna tell me that I got the pronunciation wrong. Versillo. So what this is, it's basically a classy looking capsule holder. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Beautiful packaging, very high quality feel and touch to it. So, all right, so it's the VIEW collection and the product is called Versillo. I hope I got that right. So here it is. Very simple, very elegant, very classy touch that would charm up your office space or your home or your kitchen or your bathroom if you really decide to put this in your bathroom. So you basically take the capsules, slot them in like so, and there you have it. You could put up to 40 capsules, so that is pretty good. One problem is the problem I'm foreseeing right now because I'm lazy. You gotta kind of memorize, well, you don't have to memorize because all the capsules, all the coffee types are printed on the capsule top. But, you know, maybe if you drink it enough, often enough, frequent enough, then you would know and recognize the color of your favorite coffees. And there you have it. Well, that's it folks. That is my all new NESPRESSO Essenza Mini. I'm gonna sit back, enjoy and savor every last drop of my coffee and figure out where I'm gonna put this because it's elegant looking, it's small, it's simple, it's compact. It's practical, it makes coffee and makes good coffee. So I'm not sure if you want to keep this in the kitchen or in the pantry because you might want to showcase this, right? It's something that's so beautiful and functional. So yeah, I got some time. I'm gonna sit and figure out where I'm gonna put this. And of course, the Versillo VIEW or VIEW Versillo. What do you guys think? Will you guys want to have one of these at home or in your office for that brew, that cup of coffee? Let me know in the comments. And if you already have one of these, let me know what you think. If you have any other questions regarding the Essenza Mini, do feel free to also leave me the questions in the comments. I'm not a professional, but I will try my best to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, cheers.